under our leadership, will never allow a blind ratification.
Yes.
Ever.
Yes, Mr. President.
Majority Leader.
Maraming nagtatanong nga, Mr. President, sa atin, bakit po tayo nag-extend way into the holiday season? Tama po sinabi ni Senator Gatchalian, Mr. President, hindi tayo papayag na lang biglang pumirma sa Bicameral Conference Committee report na hindi po nakikita pa ang enrolled copy. So, Mr. President, to make this day short and sweet, I manifest before this body the additional time, Mr. President, is required to complete the preparation and ratification of the Conference Committee report on the General Appropriations Bill for fiscal year 2026. The ratification of the said Conference Committee report is imperative to ensure the continuity of government operations and the faithful implementation of the national budget for the ensuing fiscal year. Accordingly, and having been informed that the House of Representatives has likewise made a similar motion to amend the legislative calendar, I respectfully move, Mr. President, with the consent of the body, to amend anew the legislative calendar, particularly, number 1, on the resumption of session from December 22, 2025 to December 29, 2025, and on the adjournment of session from December 23, 2025 to December 30, 2025. I so move, Mr. President. All the other dates, by the way, Mr. President, for the record, all the other dates in the previously adopted calendar of session remain the same. I so move, Mr. President.
Any objection? There is a motion by the distinguished Majority Leader to amend the legislative calendar. So if there is no objection, hearing none, the motion is approved with consent of the body.
Thank you very much, Mr.
The
President.
Secretary is directed to inform the House of Representatives of this action.
Yes, I believe they approved theirs for the record, Mr. President, this morning. They were able to approve it as well. So,
Thank you.
may we
Senator
recognize Senator Gatchalian.
Sherwin Gatchalian, the Chairman of the Committee on Finance, is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you, Majority Leader. And I appreciate the efforts to extend our legislative calendar, Mr. President. This is to give time for the printing of the draft enrolled bill, because our direction is to print the draft enrolled bill, share it with the BICAM conferees as well as the other senators, and have the signing of the draft enrolled bill together with the Bicameral Conference Committee report on the 28th, 10 a.m. So by that time, we will have all the documents in place, and the documents will be shared with the Senate, with the senators, and also with the BICAM conferees. And then after that, on the 29th, we will have our ratification. So that is the direction that we are taking.
Thank you. With that, yes, for the record, this Congress, under our leadership, will never allow a blind ratification.
Yes.
Ever.
Yes, Mr. President.
Majority Leader.
Maraming nagtatanong nga, Mr. President, sa atin, bakit po tayo nag-extend way into the holiday season? Tama po sinabi ni Senator Gatchalian, Mr. President, hindi tayo papayag na lang biglang pumirma sa Bicameral Conference Committee report na hindi po nakikita pa ang enrolled copy. Kasi whether we like it or not, maybe in the past, maraming singit, yung na-approve na sa Bicam report, napapalitan pa sa enrollment of bill na hindi dapat tama yun, Mr. President. So, just to allow our colleagues to be able to study and make sure that the Bicameral Conference Committee report is exactly was approved.
A faithful reproduction
Faithful
of what the
reproduction.
BICAM approved.
Walang
Yes.
singit, walang insertion, Mr.
Yes.
President. Tama po.
Senator Sherwin Gatchalian.
Yep. And to add to that, Mr. President, humingi rin ako ng pasensya sa ating mga kasamahan dahil nga ilang beses po na-adjust yung ating legislative calendar, at humingi rin po ako ng pahimin sa ating Majority Leader dahil kausap ko siya parati at binibigyan ko siya ng update tungkol po sa ating legislative calendar. Pero dahil nga itong mga ginagawa ho natin ay first time, no, in our budget history, yung ating open BICAM, yung pag-print po ng enrolled copy, kinakailangan po ng mas mahabang oras po para ma-print, ma-reconcile, ma-proofread, at masigurado ho natin yung ating aprubahan, lahat po ay nasa ayos. At yung ating mga staff po sa LBRMO, So totoo lang ho, hindi na ho natutulog ho yan para siguraduhin na maayos po yung ating pag-iimprinta po ng enrolled copy. So muli humingi po ako ng paumanhin sa ating mga kasamahan dahil alam ko marami ho sa ating mga kasamahan may plano na makasama yung kanilang mga mahal sa buhay, pero pinili ho nila na manatili ho dito sa ating bansa at makasama ho natin para magkaroon ho tayo ng mapag-usapan ho to at later on ratify ho natin to pagdating po ng December 29. Kaya nagpapasalamat din po ako sa ating mga kasamahan na sila rin po nag-adjust ng kanilang schedule para makasama ho natin sa ratification.
Yes.
President,
Thank you. Yes.
katulad ng
Thank you.
binanggit sa akin ni Senator JB, na yun lang po, na lugi po tayo kay Senator Sherwin kasi wala pang pamilya. hindi na umuwi sa bayan. Dito natutulog yan sa Senado.
Oo nga.
Dahil sa sipag niya, Mr. President.
All right.
Pero with that, Mr. President, we just like to share to the public our sentiments that we really are pushing for the good leadership of the Senate, headed by Senate President Soto, and the rest of the members of the Senate. All the members of the Senate really believe in a more transparent budget process. And we'd like to thank, Mr. President, the LBRMO. Tama po, si Senator Gatchalian. We'd also like to thank the Secretariat that are here and also the LBRMO for working overtime above and beyond the call of duty for really para sa bayan, para sa ating mga kababayan, na sana ito na po yung magiging bagong normal, new normal, especially the budget process. Thanks to you, Mr.
Okay.
President, and the members of this Senate chamber. So with that, Mr. President, I move that we suspend session until 3 o'clock in the afternoon, Monday, December 29, 2025. I so move, Mr. President.
Any objection? Chair hears none. The session is suspended until 3 o'clock in the afternoon of Monday, December 29, 2025.
Thank you, Mr. President.